Last time on 4 Sheets to the Wind, we sent our friends packing on the last flight out of Isle Royale for the season. Join us this time as we make the push off the island and head south, bebopping down the southern shore of Lake Superior, chasing the weather and the calendar, desperate to get off the big lake before the winter hits. Enjoy! Man, it is brutal. Man, Kyle just went to shore to go get us some water and see if he could get any rangers around. I don't know, just to find out about the weather, get some updates. The whole place is kind of crazy. It's like totally shut down. The last seaplane left with our friends, and there's like a schmittering of people here waiting out the storm, waiting for the ferry to come to take the last group off the island. So I've been left in charge of the boat. I have to make sure we had to reset the anchor because the wind shifted, so kind of checking to make sure we don't drift into shore, that the anchor really set. It's wild. Wild, wild. It's gonna be kind of crazy. Alright, check back with you in a bit. Rainy, cold, foggy, spooky. Ugh.
It's miserable out.
God, it's really miserable. Wanna go sailing?
Not today.
Waves 7 to 10 feet, occasionally to 13 feet, building to 9 to 12 feet, occasionally to 15 feet. Tonight, northeast gales to 45 knots, becoming north 20 to 30 knots late. Showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms to midnight, then showers likely after midnight. West wind 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to around 40 miles per hour. Chance of showers 80%. Friday night, mostly clear. Areas of frost after midnight. Lows near 40. Rain threats will be damaging wind gusts and large hail. There is a low risk of a tornado.
We were wilting. We were wilting. We were wilting with our eyes squeezed shut.
Okay, we're at Isle Royale, and there's a really small wind window to go south, so we're deciding to take it. Wind's gonna lighten up, we're gonna sail through the night, and we're gonna make it to Copper Harbor sometime at like 4 in the morning. If all goes according to plan. Here we go.
Will we feel an ache in our hearts as we cry? Oh, 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 oh. Now we're asking ourselves why we could not let ourselves cry with the softness of a child. We must have died 1,000 times. We were wilting. We were wilting. We were wilting with our eyes squeezed shut. Now we're asking ourselves why we could not let ourselves cry with the softness of a child. We must have died 1,000 times.
Southern Shore.
It's 5 a.m. Made it to Copper Harbor. What was that, 50 miles?
What's that?
50 nautical miles?
A little over 50 today, yeah.
How many hours was that? We left at like 7:30 last night.
About 8 hours.
Not bad. Got to see the northern lights.
Rode the tail end of the gale.
Rode the tail end of the gale. beat the west winds. Pretty exciting. Bedtime.
And it's cold. Frost advisory.
It's really freaking cold. I'm going to bed. Made it to Copper Harbor, and now we're at the dock getting pounded by a nor'easter. It's really freaking cold. We have to move docks because we're getting our butts kicked. We're not looking forward to this. It is brutal out here. Alright, we got her all moved yesterday. She was here and we had two amazing, awesome local guys that slowly shoved the boat in the sleeting, freezing rain all the way down this dock. Look at that. Got her super well secured and tied off so we can go into town and get breakfast. Oh, I'm so excited. Get off the boat. When in Copper Harbor.
Like leaves fall into the forest floor,
Off to check out the trails.
or waves
your helmet?
crashing on the ocean shore.
Safety first.
Like clouds flying through the autumn sky, there seemed to be an endless supply.
Ooh.
What the hell are you looking for? She must have seen that I was lost. I knew I had to make her believe that I needed her and she needed me.
20 knots late. Cloudy. Showers through midnight. Then a chance of showers late. Waves building to 3 to 5 feet.
So what's the plan?
A blast.
Heading out of here.
Heading out of here, going to
Heading out of Copper Harbor.
Munising, yeah, Copper Harbor to Munising, or yeah, if things are going really well, Grand Marais, it's a little over 100 miles.
Munising's 80.
80 to Munising, Marquette could be a bail option at like 50, we'll see how cold. It's kind of rainy.
So like 30 hours?
30 hours, no, 24.
24.
So if you go all the way to Grand Marais, 3 hours put us at the locks. All right,
Bundle up.
time to work.
Now on, you're my special girl. She said, take a really good look at me.
How much longer?
A day, 24 hours. Maybe less, depends where we duck into. Depends where we're fed out.
You have a mosquito on your forehead.
I do. What's going on up here?
Now hold me tight
Wipe
with
the
those
sleepies out of
arms
your
of
eyes.
yours. 'Cause all I need is a little love. Trust me, baby, it'll be just fine. Come and lay in these arms of mine. Together we are gonna rule the world. From now on, you're my special girl. All this time I've been looking for a girl like you to take me down.
Awesome.
You were nowhere to be found. You were nowhere to be found. So I opened my heart and I tried my luck. I was just fooling around. I swear those days are over now. Trust me, baby, it'll be just fine. Come and lay in these arms of mine. Together we are gonna rule the world. From now on, you're my special girl. From now on, you're my special girl.
Somewhere in the middle of Lake Superior, and I've officially busted out the lobster suit.
Oh, I am excited about that.
Kyle finds it incredibly sexy.
Yup. Don't be fooled, it's not a survival suit.
Totally a survival suit. Funny. What a great gift.
Yeah, thanks, Sarah.
This is it. I'm not taking it off until end of March.
Maybe we'll keep the house a little warmer this year. I'm okay with it. We proved ourselves last year.
What are we doing, like 7 knots, you said?
7 knots. Spinnaker flying.
At this rate, we're gonna get there exactly when we didn't want to, in the middle of the night.
Maybe not the middle of the night. We were thinking like time of sunrise.
6?
I predict we'll be rolling in there like right at 6 in the morning.
Oh, okay. So it'll be some light.
There might be some light. It just depends. We keep holding this up. Yeah, then we'll be early. But it's such a comfortable ride. I'd rather come in there at night than try and slow down.
Slow down.
It won't be that bad.
I agree.
Never slow down. Always keep going.
Mr. Monday, sleeping on the job again.
Sleeping. That guy's worthless.
Got himself a girlfriend and whew,
That's the end of it.
that's the end of it. Meet Holly. She's our little stowaway. Mount Bohemia in the background. Way over here. Don't know if you can see it.
Part of the lake and the shallowest part.
The deepest, yeah, crazy. Stenard Rock. It's like a giant mountain in the middle of the lake. And then how deep is the deepest? Like 1,600 feet?
1,300 within like less than 5 miles from it. It goes right to Stenard, I think is their longest little lighthouse. Above the water you can hit the lighthouse, but it's like 2 feet deep or something at the shoulder. You hit that, you just slide off the side and hit this.
$104 miles.
That's it.
20 hours later, we made it. We're in what town? Grand Marais, Michigan. It's 6:30 in the morning. There's like a gnarly wind pushing us off the dock, and we pulled in, and while Kyle was driving the boat, he did this crazy flying leap off the back and tied us in. Well, I just stood there and watched, completely perplexed. I know those of you that know Kyle are probably like in shock that he was able to accomplish such a feat.
Oh no. Is that a whiskey?
Yeah. Some tea. That was, no, I'm serious. That was like insanely impressive. I don't even understand. So I could stay up to watch the sunrise, but I am absolutely not going to. I'm going right to bed. Adios.
See ya. Now you watch the sunrise?
Nope. Mm-mm. As always, thanks for watching, and join us next time as we continue to race the clock to try to make it home before the winter hits.